Okay, uh, in this class, we will discuss some of the important problems based on the simple stresses, which is respected to solid shaft as well as that hollow shaft. Okay, so first let us understand the nature of the problem. Okay, the given problem is design of a spindle in a milling machine to transmit 15 kilowatt at 1000 rpm. To transmit 15 kilowatt at 1000 rpm, the angular twist is not exceed 0.5 degree per meter length. Okay, which is not exceed 0.5 degree per meter length. The material for spindle is C45. Material for the spindle is C45 steel having a yield stress of 353 MPa. Having a yield stress of 353 MPa. The outside diameter of the spindle is twice that of, okay, the outside diameter of the spindle is twice that of inside diameter. Okay, twice that of inside diameter. Okay, so take FOS is equal to 2. Okay, take FOS is equal to 2. Okay, you can observe here, this is a, okay, here we have, okay, the hollow shaft, okay, which is subjected to uh, the machine, milling machine, okay, which is transmit 15 kilowatt power at 1000 rpm. Okay, the angular twist is not exceed 0.5 degree per meter length. Okay, the material for the spindle is C45 grade. For that, okay, it should be having a yield stresses of 353 MPa. If if they not give the yield stress value, we need to refer from the design data handbook. Okay, for this grade. Okay, for this grade we need to refer the design data handbook. Okay, so this is about the nature of the problem. Okay, from table number 2.10, from table number 2.10 we need to refer this value if they will not given the yield stresses. Okay, so this is a problem. The given FOS factor of safety is 2. Okay, given FOS is 2. First, okay, note down the given data. First we need to note down the given data. Here N or P, we will call it as N or P is equal to 15 kilowatt. Okay, next small attain speed, okay, 1000 rpm, 1000 rpm. Okay, the angle of twist theta is equal to 0.5 degree. Okay, that we will convert it into radians. Okay, 0.5 into pi by 180, we will convert that into radians. Okay, and L is equal to 1 meter. Okay, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 3 mm. Okay, 1 meter. For C45 steel, for C45 steel, sigma y yield stress, sigma y is equal to 353 MPa. Here we don't know the modulus of rigidity, okay, the value called G. Okay, for that what we need to do, we need to refer table number, refer table number 2.10 from design data handbook, from design data handbook. Okay, so for C45 steel, okay, C45 steel, okay, if you refer that, the G is equal to 79 GPa. Okay, 79 GPa. We need to convert that into MPa. 79 into 10 to the power 3 MPa. This is a value for G. This is a value for G. Okay, so and also here you just observe this problem. Okay, if the outside diameter of the spindle, outside diameter of the spindle is twice that of inside diameter. Okay, so here D naught is the outside diameter of the spindle. This is a spindle. Outside diameter of the spindle is twice that of inside diameter, that is 2 di. Okay, 2 di. and also we have FOS. FOS is equal to 2. Okay, 2. So for example, here we need to find out the radius, okay, where r is equal to, okay, d naught divided by 2. Okay, so that is equal to, where d naught is equal to 2 times of di. Okay, d naught is equal to 2 times of di. 2 di divided by 2. These two get cancelled, where r is equal to di. Okay, where r is equal to di. Okay, this is the radius. Okay, next we know, okay, we know FOS. Okay, the factor of safety is equal to, FOS is equal to yield stresses divided by allowable stresses, sigma allowable, yield stresses to the allowable stresses. Okay, so if you substitute that values, okay, so we know FOS, we don't know allowable stresses, but we know the yield stresses. As per the C45 steel, okay, in the problem itself they have given the value for the yield stresses is 353 MPa. Okay, if you substitute that values, okay, so here we don't know the allowable stresses. Sigma allowable is equal to, sigma allowable is equal to sigma y yield stresses divided by FOS, factor of safety. So if you substitute that values, okay, what is the sigma y? Yield stresses 353 MPa divided by, what is the factor of safety, is equal to 2. Okay, if you simplify this, we will get around 176.5 MPa. 176.5 MPa. Okay, this is the sigma allowable. Okay, so we know that, okay, so shear stress, okay, shear stress tau allowable is equal to, 1 by 2 times of sigma allowable. Tau allowable is equal to 1 by 2 times of sigma allowable. Okay, here 1 by 2 times means 0.5 into, what is the sigma allowable here? 176.5 MPa. If you simplify this, we will get around 88.25 MPa. 88.25 MPa. This is the sigma allowable as well as the tau allowable. Okay, so with respect to the factor of safety, okay, so next what we need to find out, okay, here just read the problem. Okay, the design of spindle in a milling machine to transmit 15 kilowatt, okay, at 1000 rpm. Okay, the angular twist is not exceed, okay, 0.5 degree per unit meter length. Okay, that is a, okay, with respect to the torque. Okay, here we need to study, okay, so we need to discuss regarding that torque equation. You can see what is the, okay, the torsional equation. Okay, the torsional equation is, okay, mt by j is equal to g theta by L is equal to tau by r. Mt by j is equal to g theta by, okay, L is equal to tau by r. Okay, we know that where mt is equal to, okay, where mt is equal to 9550 n. N in the sense capital N is also, we will call it as a P. Okay, so power, okay, transmitted, okay, power transmitted divided by small n, which is denoted by speed of the spindle, which is 1000 rpm. Okay, here n it is given in the kilowatt. Okay, we need to convert that into watts. So here you just see here, so here substitute that values, 9550 into 1000, okay, into PRN, okay, both are same, divided by n. Okay, if you substitute the values, okay, if you substitute these values, okay, so you will get, okay, you will get 143.25 into 10 to the power 3 Newton millimeter. This is called mt, maximum torque. Okay, maximum torque with respect to, okay, the torsional equation. Mt by J is equal to g theta by L is equal to tau by R. Okay, tau by R. This is the value. Okay, so with respect to this problem. Okay, so here next what we need to find out, okay, with respect to this problem, okay, here we need to find out, okay, the value, we need to find out the value called J. Okay, so where J is nothing but a polar moment of inertia, polar suction modulus or polar moment of inertia. Okay, so and Z naught is equal to J by C as per the table number 2.2. okay, J by C, if you refer, okay, we will get this equation, okay, directly from the design data handbook. Pi into d naught to the power 4 minus di to the power 4 divided by, okay, 16 d naught. Okay, so we'll get this equation directly from the design data handbook. Refer table number 2.2. Refer table number 2.2. You will get this equation from the design data handbook. Okay, design data handbook. If you substitute that values, J is equal to pi into, okay, pi into 2 times of di. D naught is equal to 2 times of di. You can see here, where is the d naught? You just see here, this is the d naught is equal to 2 times of di. Okay, this is the value. Okay, substitute that values. Okay, 2 times of di minus di to the power 4 divided by 16 d naught into di by 2, where C is nothing but a, where C is equal to, what is meant by C? C is equal to d naught divided by 2. C is equal to d naught divided by 2. D or, okay, or C is nothing but a d naught divided by 2 or, okay, you can see here, if you simplify this, see here, sorry, d naught and d naught get cancelled. Okay, you just write this equation, pi into 16 di to the power 4 minus di to the power 4 divided by 32. Okay, so here what happened, minus di to the power 4 plus di to the power 4 get cancelled. Okay, so where J is equal to 15 divided by 32 into 15 di to the power 4. This is, if you simplify this, okay, we will get, finally we will get 1.472 di to the power 4. This is the final value for the J. Okay, you need to submit this, you need to substitute this value. Okay, you can see with respect to, now with respect to mt by J is equal to tau by R. Okay, mt by J is equal to tau by R. If you substitute the values in this equation, you see here, okay, what is the mt? Mt is equal to 143. mt is equal to 143.25 into 10 to the power 3 divided by, okay, what is the value for J? 1.472 di to the power 4 is equal to, what is the tau? What is the value for tau? Okay, tau allowable is equal to 88.25 MPa divided by, what is the R? R in the sense, what is the value for R? R is equal to, okay, d naught by 2, where d naught is equal to 2 di divided by 2, R is equal to di. Okay, R is equal to di. If you further, if you simplify this and this, you will get, if you simplify this, okay, finally di, okay, finally where you see here, where R is equal to d naught divided by 2, okay, so that d naught 2 di divided by 2 get cancelled, R is equal to di. Okay, this is a value for r. If we simplify here, okay, if you simplify this equation, finally we will get di is equal to 10.33. Okay, 10.33, di is equal to 10.33, okay, mm. Okay, it is almost equal to 12 mm. Okay, from table 14.6, okay, from the design data handbook. We need to refer table 14.6 from the design data handbook. Okay, this is the diameter. Okay, diameter, and here we know that d naught is equal to 2 times of di. D naught is equal to 2 times of di. Okay, so if you substitute that values, 2 into 10.33, okay, 2 into 10.33, so where d naught is equal to 20.6 mm, so which is equal to 25 mm as per the table 14.6, okay, from design data handbook. Okay, from design data handbook. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, here what we need to find out? We need to find out the diameter. Okay, we need to find out the diameter of the spindle. Okay, we need to find out the diameter of the spindle. Okay, this is the nature of the problem. Okay, the design of a spindle in a machine element to transmit 15 kilowatt at 1000 rpm. The angular twist is not exceed 0.5 degree per meter length. Okay, the material for spindle is C45 steel having a yield stress of 353 MPa. The outside diameter of the spindle is twice that inside diameter. See here, the outside diameter d naught, okay, is twice that of inside diameter, means di. Okay, so finally we will get the diameter of the, okay, the spindle is, okay, 25 mm. Okay, so this is the nature of the problem.